Hey, this is PJ with CLK Supplies, and this is the ASP A-23-103 High Security Pinning Kit for General Motors using the HU100 type key blanks and the code series the Z0001 to Z6000. Let me open it up. I'll show you what it comes with, as well as how you would take apart the ignition to repin it to your customer's key. So if you look at the lid right here, you're going to see it comes with 8 different sizes of tumblers or wafers, as well as some springs. Now it's going to come with 25 pieces of each size, like you see right here. And these are actually pretty simple to repin to your customer's existing key. Here's a high security ignition lock that we sell. And to take it apart to rekey it, you just push this little part in right here, like that. As you can see, it pops out that nice and easy, and then at this point you can just pop these wafers out. They are staggered on both sides, so you just pop those out, pin them up to your customer's existing key. Once you're done, you're just going to push it back in like that, and it'll be ready to be reinstalled into the customer's vehicle. So this is the A-23-103 General Motors High Security Pinning Kit. We also sell these ignition locks right here. In the description, I'll put links to all the different products and options. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.